Okay, sensyahan kayo ninyo ang akong Bible sa. Here's the difference between foreigner and Filipino employer. Wow, nasking view guys. Apply na ko kadulong sa trabahoan. Holy shit! Apit. Layo pa kayo kung paplayon. Papangas ba yan ni? Kaya syempre, resto bar lagi niya. Most of them ang mga tao dito is mga Spanish, Chinese, or France, Italy. Lagi kinakata. Anyway, let's proceed to foreigner and Filipino employer. If foreigner ang imong amo, kanang maskin wala ka sweldohan gid kanila, like maskin walay bisita or mingaw man ang mga customer, they will pay you like same day, like regular, like that. There's a lot of kapoy na magpaklay uy. Pero pag Pilipino gani ka, kailangan nimo moagta dito pangitaon nimo imong madam para makuha lang nimo imong sweldo. Ang foreigner mangita sila og pamagi para masweldohan ka. That's it. Galang. Guwapa man gyapon. Mo gini yung favorite no. Ang kalo black sanina ug bag pod, my favorite bag. Kani siya nga bag is hinatag sa akong amo to na trabaho kog bantay bata. Graduate na ko bantay bata. Uy, 4 years. Lahi na pod. Buang. Tapos ang akong goal karon din sa Camiguin is you know, to chase my dream and I don't know, nag-work ko part full time dito sa Carinderia, which is I can compare the different customer, Filipino and foreigner as well. Wow, I can't. Look at the view. Oh, grabe ka nice. Worth it ang baklay. Mura kong nag-hike daning minatay. But it's fine. Tamang walking lang. Then the rest house. And also the mountain. Wow, so beautiful. Look at that house. Maybe ikaw na siya mga chicken. Hanggang CCTV. Tapos sa mountain. Yeah. I'm obsessed with mountain, guys. Wow, I can't believe it's so beautiful. Wow. Walking with Jesus. But nala guys, kita mo na guys. Kaya may atop nga. Kana. Kana. Di ako nagtrabaho. Then, tada! Abot lang. Uy, ang gid siguro ko. Then, mountain. Yeah. Yeah. No. And then, danipod is kwan. Nice kini guys. Kaya ang akong bossing is nice swimming pool. Diha. Tapos, as in, duol kasi sa inano. Nano ba? Pero nice kayo. Okay, sa'yo mga ko gamata because I've been trying to discipline myself. No one can discipline me. Just only me and myself and I. Ito Ramon. Tapos, sunset. Mag-sunset na siya niya. Pero, di man ko kita ikin namin ko sa kitchen lagi. I'm happy to collecting my intellectually and taking care my wellness, holistic, kibali ba? Mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, environmentally, financially, what else, intellectually, basta whole wellness, holistic, ang pingan. Ano to hay? Grabe 20 minutes, wala mo pagbaklay ah. No, tanawa. Muna nga ka nice kay. Dadto bukid ang view. Diha, bukid. Tapos ang likod kay dagat. Yeah. Mayong buntag, and look at this. It was very cold. I've been trying to discipline myself. Look at. Hello. Is this really? Yeah. I think I cannot. No one can discipline you. Only by your own self. Look at that, beautiful. My boss have a gardener here, so he is the one who take care the flower, like the, which is na siya duha ka room, which is only one room at the beginning. It's because hina, they call hina. One, two room, and then one swimming pool. He wants me to, he's I'm a first time here, and I came here like nothing, like no experience, and without nothing. I want to came there. Chuck Alibaba was right. Look at that. That is dagat, like a ocean, and the mountain. Yeah, mountain as well. Chuck Alibaba was right. He said when you wake up at 5 a.m. Oh, that was really hard. And as for me, it is really hard. It's because especially I wake up at 1 p.m. But now here I am. I discipline myself even when I don't open alarm. If you start on the alarm, then you snooze, that make you feel weakness. Don't show the alarm that you are weakness. Look at that beautiful room. 2 rooms. My boss buys 2 rooms. And it will be open soon. And it was really beautiful. The gardener was great as well. I love the mountain so much. I think I'm really obsessed with the mountain. My boss was right. Just cry when no one see you, and don't trust anybody, Maybe. Chakma is right. Was right. It's because I can hear the birds, the animals, the fresh air, the winds before the people, and it was nice. And I did meditation. Okay, then I should go to start my work. Bye. That's it. Take a good care, guys.